Good morning, children. This is Veena, and I welcome you in Rishikul Online School. Today, in this module 3 of the chapter, Landscape of the Soul, we will discuss the contrasting inferences from the two stories. So, now let us discuss about the concept of Chinese painter. A Chinese painter does not mean to reproduce an actual view. The painting presented by him is not a real one. One can view and enter from any point. It gives the audience liberty to travel in it up and down. Moreover, it creates a path for one's eyes to view the painting from his own perspective and enjoy the deep plunges into it in a pleasurable way. The artist reveals the true meaning of his work by showing the way. As we know that in the story, the emperor appreciates the painting only at its visual level, and the artist unravels to him the mysticism of his work by showing the true way. So now let us know about the Western painter. A Western painter believes in figurative painting. He wants the audience to view the painting from a specific angle as he sees it by borrowing his eyes. So on this page, you can see a figurative painting which is presented by the Western painter. Now let us move to module 4. In this module, we will know how the Chinese art form broadens horizons. Let me tell you that this art unravels itself like a horizontal scroll. Moreover, it adds dimension of time with the action of slowly opening one sector and then the other. It involves active participation of the viewer, both physical and mental. It gives liberty to the viewer to set his pace at which he will travel through the painting. He does not want you to borrow his eyes. Instead, he wants you to enter his mind. It provides conceptual and spiritual space also. So now, let us throw light on the concept Sanshui. The concept Sanshui means mountain water, used together as the two words represent the word landscape. Let me tell you that mountain is yang. It reaches vertically towards heaven. It is stable, warm and dry in the sun. Whereas water is yin, it remains horizontal, resting on the earth. It is fluid, moist and cool. So this was module 3 and 4. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.